morning everyone. Today we are going to test for starch in food using iodine solution. This is the food particle, rice. Then we add some 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. If the food color changes into blue-black color, then it indicates the starch is present. If it is not, the starch is not, it is absent. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate the protein test. First, take the food sample in the test tube. It is egg yolk. Add few drops of caustic soda, that's nothing but sodium hydroxide. Then add 2 to 3 drops of copper sulfate and shake gently. If the solution color changes violet or purple, the protein is present. If there is no color change, the protein is absent. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today we are going to test for sugar using ballistic solution. We take the food sample in a test tube. And add ballistic solution. And we heat the test tube carefully. If the solution changes from blue to orange, it shows that sugar is present. If it remains blue, sugar is absent. Thank you.
Knowing what is in our food helps us to make healthy choices. The food we choose today builds the health we enjoy tomorrow. Choose wisely. Healthy food, healthy body, healthy future. Thank you.